posted a question on Instagram asking what's that one thing that's stopping you from starting a YouTube channel. And most of the answers I received are the same: editing YouTube videos. I totally get it. I know that editing videos can be daunting. That's why in this video, I'm going to share my flow and my secret to editing my YouTube videos. I have a certain flow when it comes to content creation. I work in batches and I break it into days. I have day 1 where I focus on research and plotting on ideas. Day 2 is writing day. Day 3 is recording. Day 4 editing, and day 5 is scheduling. So you can watch this video to know how I batch my content for YouTube, and I explain more in depth in that video. So editing YouTube videos falls under day 4, but here's a secret. I will start editing my YouTube video on day 2, which is my writing day. Okay, let me explain. This is called writing with edit in mind. So on day 2, which is my writing day, I write my scripts for my YouTube videos, and while writing, I will put in comments on certain parts of the script if it involves adding B-roll shots or sound effects or text overlay. I write my scripts on the good old Google document, and I'm going to share with you how I add in the comments if I want to add in other shots or if I want to emphasize on certain parts. Let's go. So if you look at my Google document, this is my script template, and I will add in comments. I will just highlight on certain parts of the script that I have. I will highlight and I add in comments if I want to add in other shots or if I want to emphasize on certain points. So for example, this one, I commented that I must add in the screenshot of the Instagram so to actually put up on the YouTube videos. If you look at this part, I actually add in the links to the free royalty video that I want to use on this portion of the script. Whereas for this one, I want to add in some sound effects, and for this part, I also want to make sure that I emphasize this particular text so that when I edit my video, I will have that text overlay on the video itself. And yes, I will write my script to the T. Once all scripts are written, I will move on to day 3, which is the recording of the videos. After the videos are recorded, I will import the video files into my editing software. I use CapCut to edit my YouTube videos. You can watch this video if you want to know how to edit videos like a pro using CapCut. When I import my video files into the CapCut, I don't straight away edit them. I just put the video files on the timeline and do a quick run through to make sure that I can hear the audio. Being an introvert, by the time I finish recording all the videos, my energy will drain out. So what I do after that is I will have a cup of tea or a cup of hot chocolate for me to recharge. Now when day 4 finally arrives, which is the editing day, I will edit them in the accordance with the script that I've written. And because I've added the comments and also the links to the B-roll shots, I know exactly which part I need to include them in the video. This way, I don't use so much of my brain power to think of what are the B-rolls I should use, what are the texts I need to emphasize, because everything has been done during the writing day on my script. I just have to focus on editing the videos. So yes, in a nutshell, that's how I edit all my YouTube videos. Remember that everything that we do takes practice, including editing videos. Find that sweet spot of yours and you will edit your YouTube videos easily in no time. While you wait for my next video, check this video out where I share tips on how you can kickstart YouTube in 2024. If you found this video beneficial, do like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel. See you in the next one.